Water is the fundamental source of life, and we all want to be sure we are drinking the best water possible. Mitte created the world's first smart water system that delivers you safe and healthy water. Inspired by nature, Mitte reproduces the natural water cycle through evaporation, condensation, and mineralization. Mitte brings you healthy water directly in your kitchen. Healthy water is two things: clean, purified water and enhanced with minerals. Mitte gets rid of everything bad and puts a lot of good in it. Mitte has been designed and tested, going through 1,000 hours of 3D printing, 4 working prototypes, just to arrive at the final model and to make sure that you get the healthiest water. Mitte's proprietary purification technology first removes all the contaminants like bacteria and viruses, even hormones and nitrates. Water from Mitte is 60 times cleaner than from a pitcher filter and 3 times cleaner than a reverse osmosis system. After purification, the water is enhanced through a mineral cartridge. You can personalize the water you want to drink. Soft with low minerals, crisp, high mineral water, and alkaline with high pH. The result is always a perfectly balanced mineralized water of your choice. Maybe you're like Anna, and she wants what's best for her children. Mitte helps her give her kids the healthiest and safest water. She also cares about the environment, and Mitte allows her to get rid of all plastic bottles. Or like Catherine, who cares deeply about her health and well-being, she's obsessed with tea. And with Mitte, she's sure it will always be the perfect temperature. Or maybe you feel more like Philip, who is passionate about his performance. The minerals and nutrients in the water from Mitte will help him with his diet and his training. Whew. He's also a technology enthusiast. With an app that tracks and monitors the water quality and automatically sends new cartridges whenever you need them. This is what Mitte offers: the right healthy water for you. Designed and engineered here in Berlin, Germany, Mitte is ready to give you access to healthy water the way it's meant to be.
I'm Moritz, the CEO of Mitte. I'm part of this fantastic team from 13 different countries. We came together for one simple goal: to improve lives with healthy water. Support us on Kickstarter today and be the first to get this beautiful machine at home. Together, we can change water worldwide.
Training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucide. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the quartz bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Quartz uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odor-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilize operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Quartz begins working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Quartz works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Quartz is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no Hydro Challenge quartz can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit. Quartz is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.
Americans are receiving more packages and home deliveries than ever before. At BoxLock, we've made it our mission to protect your deliveries from porch pirates and package thieves. Our first product is a smart padlock that opens when you use it to scan a valid barcode. With BoxLock, deliveries are safe without having to ship everything to the office, make an extra stop at your P.O. box, chase down the delivery driver, or let strangers into your house while you're not home. All you need is a secured locking storage bin, internet access, and a box lock. To use BoxLock, your delivery driver simply grabs the box lock and presses the button on the top to scan your package. Only packages addressed to you that are actually out for delivery that day will unlock the box lock. The driver opens the bin, places your package safely inside, closes the bin, and locks the lock. You'll be notified which package was scanned and that your box lock is safely locked with your packages inside. Box lock works anywhere you can place a padlock and get internet access. On your porch, your shed, your gate, your cellar, your fridge. It's great for homes or businesses. It even works for gifts. BoxLock works with all major carriers. You can create secure barcodes to share with friends, family, anyone you can message, such as food or grocery delivery companies, even your lawn service or liquor deliveries. BoxLock is piloting right now. Delivery drivers are happy to use BoxLock because they know their packages will be received securely. It also reduces the need for delivery drivers to handle all the paperwork when a claim is filed. What's more, there's no recurring cost for using BoxLock. We really need your support to help us finish the final design, get the most out of the battery life, and get feedback to make the product better. Our final designs will be complete by the end of the year, and we plan to ship in early summer 2018. Today, we're raising funds to complete this final design and begin production. We're excited to share BoxLock with you and look forward to making sure your packages are delivered safely and securely.
Hello Kickstarter, my name is Nils. 3 years ago, my team and I came to you with an idea. We wanted to let you know your home was safe, without invasive cameras or complex security systems. That's why we designed Point. Thanks to you, Point is now used by thousands of people across the world. Today, we're launching the next generation. We've learned from our community, and we've seen how families and neighbors come together when the unexpected happens. That's why the new Point is a full home alarm designed for collaboration. We think you'll love it.
Meet Susan, Bob, and Judy Anderson, and their neighbour Alex. This is their home with Point. Point can sense smoke. Point can sense noise. Point can sense movement. Traditional alarm systems rely on many individual devices and sensors. Point combines sound, motion, and environmental sensors in one device. Through machine learning, it identifies what's happening in the environment, much like a brain. When Point detects something important, a message is sent to a group of people chosen by you, so you can help each other out when needed.
Point is now a serious business, and the team behind it is growing. After more than a year of hard work, we're just a few months away from shipping. The new Point will come with a subscription when it hits retail, but we want to offer you something special. All Kickstarter backers, new and old, will get free lifetime service. So please support us and join us on our journey.